If you look at the description of this particular problem, there is an ellipse. There is an ellipse like this. There is an ellipse. This is the focus. This is the focus C, 0. Okay. The line joining its extremities to the minor axis. Okay. Or the line joining to the extremities of the minor axis. So let me consider this is the point A, 0, B, and this is the point B, 0, minus B, forms an equilateral triangle. Forms an equilateral triangle. Is it okay? So this triangle ABF is a triangle for that matter. Now question is asking you to calculate what is the eccentricity of this particular ellipse, is the question asked. So what is the eccentricity? So this given question is an ellipse here, ellipse given in the problem. So if we say this is a point here. So now question is asking you to calculate eccentricity, that is equal to C by A. This is equal to how much? So what is this? C is equal to, C is nothing but A into E. This implies to me that C is equal to A into E. This is equal to A into E, 0, correct? So I can say AF plus BF by the definition of ellipse, that constant should be equal to 2A. So what is this AF? AF is nothing but square root of AE minus 0 the whole square plus 0 minus B the whole square, 0 minus B the whole square, plus square root of BF. BF is nothing but 0 minus AE the whole square, 0 minus AE the whole square, plus minus B minus 0 the whole square. That is equal to what is it? That is equal to 2A, correct? So I can say square root of A square E square plus B square plus square root of A square E square plus B square, that is equal to 2A. So I may say 2 times root of A square E square plus B square, that is equal to 2A. So I can say A square E square plus B square, that is equal to A square, right? 2 and 2 will get cancelled, square on both sides. E square plus E square, okay, that is E square is equal to A square minus B square divided by A square. So in the ellipse, A square is equal to B square plus C square. So I may say A square minus B square is equal to C square. From here I can write this as C square divided by A square, correct? So now what is told in the problem? What is the eccentricity of the ellipse is the question asked, right? What is the eccentricity of the ellipse is the question asked. So eccentricity is nothing but C by A we get. So any further data given in the problem here will be, it is told in an ellipse the line joining the foci to the extreme form an equilateral triangle with the minor axis. Then what is the eccentricity of the ellipse is the question asked. So if I can say this particular angle is how much degree? This is 30 degree now, and this angle will be equal to 30 degree. So this angle is 90 degree. This is nothing but B, this is nothing but B, this is C, right? This is C. So I can say tan of 30 degree, that is equal to B divided by C. 1 divided by root 3 is equal to B divided by C. So C is equal to root 3B. So what is this value of C square is equal to? C square is nothing but 3B square, right? C square is nothing but 3B square. So I can say C square is nothing but 3B square, A square, okay, plus B square. So A square is equal to 4B square. A is equal to 2B, right? A is equal to 2B. So eccentricity will be equal to C divided by A. What is C is equal to root 3B divided by 2B. So answer to the question will be equal to root 3 divided by 2. This will be the answer to the question, which corresponds to the option number A. Is it okay?